Hello YouTube. No fireworks, just facts and the raw. This is the DJI Action 5 Pro and today it's going on the helmet where it belongs. The aim is simple, smooth road, colors that don't wander, and speech you can actually hear. RockSteady engaged. It removes the nonsense and leaves the speed. We are at 4K 25, shutter 150, ND 16 fitted, so the road looks like a road, not a strobe. Audio next. The camera's own microphone stays as a backup. The main microphone lives in the chin bar with a Fury windscreen, and I set peaks around -12 decibels. The engine stays as atmosphere. The roads remain intelligible. Power on long runs is easy. It ships from a USB-C power bank and keeps recording while it charges. In my tests, it went from 0 to 80% in 38 minutes, which is frankly one less thing to think about. As for the thing itself, a rubberized body that doesn't mind a knock, a replaceable lens guard to take the scuffs, and the USB-C port you can actually reach with the gloves. Sensible. So, that's the baseline. Creamy road, steady frame, honest color, clear speech, and uninterrupted power. Next up, I will try night and rain. Tell me what you would like to see proved.